guys are doing great. Today's video is a bit different from what we've been doing, and I want to take you guys along to see how I make multiple pastries. I'm making donuts today. This is my donut, the mix. I'm going to start cutting them and shaping them. I have some puff, just little puff that I'm going to make, and we are going to make meat pie as well. So I have everything prepped. I'm going to start baking the cooking the meat, and I have the, let me bring that one out. I have the dough for the pie. I've already done that. I'll put it in the fridge to rest for like 45 minutes to 1 hour before I start rolling and start putting the filling. So come along and see how I make lots of snacks on my channel. I have recipe for different types of snacks on my channel as well. I have the meat pie, I have the donuts, I have the puff. Please, and I'm going to make sausage as well. I'm going to make sausage in this video. Come along and see how I make everything. And please don't forget to subscribe, watch, and share to your friends. Thank you. Come along as we dive into it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'll leave the dough in the fridge now. I will start with my donuts because that needs attention right now. After then, when I finish cutting this, I will start making the meat pie filling. Mix the dough for the donuts. I'm going to punch it to release the air bubbles and start shaping them. These are everything I'm using for the pie. This is the beef. I'm going to add that to my pan. I don't really need oil because the meat already has enough oil in it. It's going to bring out some oil, the fat from the beef. So I'll allow that to cook until there's no pink stuff. I'll add my ginger, I'll add onions, allow those to cook. Just follow the process. The full recipe is on my channel, as I said. Search for meat pie and you will see a detailed food recipe. Donuts. I'm done shaping them. I'm going to allow them to rest for like 45 minutes before I start to fry. I'll start frying the puff. This is just 1 cup of flour. fry it now. It's ready. I'm going to see how beautiful they are. I'm going to remove them from the hot oil, and this is done. My dough has rested well, so I'm starting the sausage roll. You can feel the feeling, the texture of the dough, very nice. I'm going to roll it and add the filling. I'm going to cut it now. Sausage is done. Let's see. The donuts came out so perfect. See, not so perfect. Put it down. Remove the rest. Beautiful meat pie.
Is
Hello guys, these are all the snacks I was able to do for my family today. I made donuts, I made some meat pie, I made sausage, I made some just little puff puff, and I made some spring rolls. So I had this, I've made this spring roll inside my freezer. I just brought it out to fry. So it's easy for me. So at least my family can have something to eat and to munch on for this weekend. I just thought of, let me show you the end result. Can you see they are so beautiful? The meat pie came out so beautifully, and the donuts and even the puff puff, everything came out. I do this as a business too. If you're interested in making your meat pie, if you live in Calgary, just DM me and you will not regret it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Until next time when I'm going to see you in another great video. See you. Bye.